Girls and guys, welcome back to the channel. Firstly, thank you for all the support so far. We are growing and it is working and we're getting there, so thank you very much. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Now, we've got a 2007 Toyota Aygo in for a rear wheel bearing. I thought at this point it might be worth showing you how it's done. So obviously we're going to do by the easiest. You spin it. If it sounds like a cement mixer, 99% chance that it is going to be your wheel bearing, or nearly 100, but let's not go there. So with this one, really simple, 417s, whip the wheel off, Bosch, T30, undo the screw that holds the drum lining off, give it a couple of little love taps with a hammer, and you've got that off. Nice and easy. Sometimes you might need to give it a few beatings. When you do this, make sure the handbrake is off, otherwise you will really struggle to do this. Now, this is the whole wheel bearing assembly that we're going to be replacing. You can hear it's a little bit grindy. Now, if we look on the back, you've got 4 bolts. They are 12s, 1, 2, and then 3, 4. But you have to disconnect the ABS sensor, and I'm not sure what that is, but I'll work it out in a second. So, this is going to be a fairly easy wheel bearing. I just did the Ford Fiesta rear wheel bearing. That is a different type. So hopefully we'll show you how to do this. Now, this side, or the ABS sensor, is a T30. Now, you've got to give that some good love taps to get it in there, clean it up a little bit. Once you do that, I mean, normally you can spray some loose juice, but just wiggle that out. And then it just leaves you to the 4 12 mils to get the actual wheel bearing off. So, let's get ready to rumble. Yeah, it hasn't really gone to plan, has it? So, as I was trying to knock the wheel bearing out of the plate, I put a bit too much tension on the, well, that took a nasty kink, so I've had to undo the brake line. And when I had it in my hand, I just gave it the almighty smash and it landed over there. So I got it off, but at the price of having to make a new brake line. But if I'm honest, looking at the state of it, kind of doing the customer a favor here. It's focusing, come on, focus. So yeah, we've got to make a brake line up, so we'll be doing that as well. But in the meantime, we have got the wheel bearing. This is a Schaeffler FAG bearing. Comes with everything you diddly need. All new bolts, even a new O-ring for the ABS sensor to stop any water ingress. Brilliant. So we're going to whack that on in a minute. I'll probably take that brake pipe out, put everything back together, and then make a pipe to size, and then bleed the brakes. So little setback, but in the grand scheme of things, I still won. Wheel bearings off. These oxidize in quite horrifically, so be warned, it's not going to be fun. Also, don't forget, when you order a Schaeffler product, now we're looking at the FAG wheel bearing stuff, LUK clutches, INA stuff or INA, they have these little barcodes on, and if you download the Schaeffler app, you get points. Like I got 300 points for this wheel bearing. And with them points, you can go to the bonus shop. And in the bonus shop, you can exchange the points for tools. And to be honest, there's a lot of cool stuff in that shop right now. I've actually brought some stuff that should be here. Well, I've exchanged points for some stuff because there's no actual money exchange. You just scan that, get points, it goes into your account, and then you get to exchange them for stuff. Like I brought some mugs because I need a couple of mugs, a spanner extender thing. I don't actually need it, I just got it because why not? It's another tool in your toolbox. I got all the toys out and wham! I got a brake pipe. Just now need to bend it, shape it anywhere you like it into position and get it on the car and bleed the brakes. Okay, everything's all in. I've got a trusty dusty assistant in the car pumping the pedal and we've already started and the fluid is black. So we're gonna change the brake fluid because I think it is very much needed. All right, we are all done. Because this thing weighs absolutely nothing, it's gonna take a while for it to come down on the ramp. But we are ready for a road test. Brake fluid's topped up, wheels torqued up, let's go. Okay, so we've been on a road test. No more groaning, no more snapping and cracking. So this one is done.